In 2014, a hydrocarbon spill contaminated the San Juan River in Nuevo León, Mexico.
The incident was caused by a Pemex pipeline, harming the ecosystem and the local community.
Residents protested demanding investigation and actions to stop the pollution.
Exactly are hydrocarbons.
They are organic compounds made only from carbon and hydrogen.
Found in oil, natural gas, and coal, and are highly flammable.
Divided into four main groups.
Alkenes with single bonds like methane and methane. Alkenes with double bonds like propene. Alkynes with triple bonds like ethane. And aromatics with ring structures like benzene.
Are essential, but mismanagement can cause serious environmental damage.
Study 6 hydrocarbons: methane, ethane, propane, butane, methane, and benzene.
All they have non-polar covalent bonds because electrons are shared equally.
Water, on the other hand, has polar covalent bonds since oxygen attracts electrons more strongly.
This creates a positive side and a negative side, just like tiny magnets.
Water and hydrocarbons don't mix, forming a clear separation during spills.
Hydrocarbons are non-polar, so they don't dissolve in water.
But they do dissolve in other non-polar substances, like hexane or benzene.
Their molecules interact through weak London dispersion forces.
They are less dense than water, which makes them float on the surface.
The higher the molecule, the higher is the boiling point.
For example, methane is a gas and pentane is a liquid. When a spill happens, a layer of hydrocarbons forms on the water surface.
It's oxygen, harming aquatic life and ecosystems.
It can also contaminate groundwater, impacting agriculture and drinking water.
Mexican regulations, water must be free of toxic substances.
Yet, these pollutants can cause serious diseases, like cancer and neurological damage.
In Cadereyta, locals demanded inspections to protect their health.
Different cleanup methods, like filtration, membranes, and bioremediation.
Bioremediation uses microorganisms to naturally break down pollutants.
It's eco-friendly, cost-effective, and safe. Perfect for cases like Cadereyta.
Pollutants are vital, but they must be managed responsibly.
Prevention and stronger regulations are key to protecting our environment.
On sustainable and safe solutions.
This project made me reflect on the actions we have and the impact on the environment caused by us. Before, I saw hydrocarbons only as a source of energy, but I learned that while they are a huge help in our daily basis, they also come with a great risk and responsibility. This spill showed me the great causes and effects it can have on one mistake. It also helped me to understand the importance of chemistry, not only to explain the causes, but also to have solutions, like bioremediation. This experience motivated me to be more involved in environmental actions and to promote this topic even more. I understand that science and collaboration are key to connecting and creating a positive change.
We are surrounded by hydrocarbons every day. They are present in fuel, oil, and coal, and every other stuff that we use constantly. Basically, a hydrocarbon is an organic compound composed by hydrogen and carbon, and they are super flammable. But the important thing isn't just how useful they are, it's also what they do to the environment. When we burn a hydrocarbon, they release a ton of pollutants into the air and water, which seriously messes with ecosystem, especially in the oceans. It adds to climate change, hurts marine life, and makes the planet less livable. That's why it's so important to start thinking about biodegradable materials and more sustainable ways of doing things. Even small changes in design or material choices can make a huge difference over the time. Working on this project really opened our eyes. It shows how even the tiniest decision can have a big impact. It also reminds us that being creative and innovative doesn't mean much if we are not thinking about the planet too.
Working on this project really changed the way I see hydrocarbons. At the beginning, they felt like something abstract for a chemistry class, just like molecules, bonds, and names I had to memorize. But while doing the video, I realized they are part of our daily lives and can cause serious problems when they are not managed well. Seeing how spills affect rivers, animals, and even people made the topic feel real to me. Learning their properties helped me understand that water and oil don't mix, and why cleaning pollution is so difficult. Still, I also discovered that science offers hope, like bioremediation, which uses nature itself to repair the damage. For me, the lesson is clear. Chemistry is not only about theory, it's about responsibility for our environment and for our future.
Hi, I'm Saul, and this is my final reflection of the challenge. The Cadereyte spill is a reminder that hydrocarbons, while vital for our daily lives, comes with great responsibility. When they are mismanaged, the consequences are devastating. Rivers covered in oil, ecosystems destroyed, and communities exposed to toxic substances that can cause long-term diseases. But there is hope. Through solutions like bioremediation, microorganisms can naturally break down pollutants, helping to restore balance in a safe and sustainable way. Still, cleaning up is not enough. The true challenge is prevention, demanding stronger regulations, corporate accountability, and responsible use of resources. If we learn from these mistakes and take action, we can ensure that water remains a source of life, not of danger. Protecting water means protecting our future.